You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Before families hire an international moving company, before they request a quote, and often before their visa is finalized, they ask one very practical question. Should we ship everything or just sell it and buy new abroad? Let's break this down strategically. On the surface, selling everything sounds simpler. You avoid international shipping costs, you reduce paperwork, you arrive with suitcases and a fresh start. But international relocation isn't just about what leaves your house. It's about what's waiting for you when you arrive. Will your new home be furnished? Are furniture prices comparable? Are appliances compatible? How long will you be living there? The real cost of this decision is not just shipping fees. It's replacement pricing, convenience, time pressure, and long-term value. And there's really no one-size-fits-all answer. You're looking at your length of stay, the destination country, furniture quality, housing type, budget flexibility. These variables matter more than emotion. If you want to understand how a structured door-to-door move works, before you make this decision, you can review our International Home Held Movers Overview on our website, because this decision should be informed, not rushed. If you're planning a move overseas and you want clarity before deciding what to ship, visit our website or call us 877-339-0267, and you can speak with a relocation specialist. We'll help you evaluate the numbers before you commit.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.